Hello dear students, today we are going to determine healthy habits and unhealthy habits with Varya and Ilyas. To know about what should we do and what should we eat to be healthy. So let's start. Hi Varya, what did you eat all day yesterday?
For breakfast, I ate eggs and drank some orange juice. For lunch, I ate some salad and rice. For dinner, I ate some chicken.
Hi Ilyas, what did you eat all day yesterday?
I ate 3 donuts for breakfast, hamburger and fries for lunch, pizza and soda for dinner.
Did you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I did. I brushed my teeth in the morning and in the evening.
Did you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I did. Actually, I did not, but I brushed my teeth last weekend.
Did you do your exercise yesterday?
I played football at the day and I did my homework at the night.
Did you do your exercise yesterday?
I watched TV all day and played football on my mobile.
Did you sleep early at night?
Yes, I did. I slept at 9 p.m. and I woke up at 6 a.m.
Did you sleep early at night?
I slept at 12 a.m. and watched mobile till I fall asleep.
Did you drink enough water that needed daily?
Yes, I did. I drank 8 glasses of water.
Did you drink enough water that needed daily?
No, I didn't. I drank too much soda and soft drink and I feel bloating.
She has more energy all the day and she passed all the exam because she eat more healthy foods and she has healthy daily routine. He has no energy all the day and he failed in the exams because he eat unhealthy foods and didn't sleep well. So he has bad daily routine.